Greetings, everyone. This is Carter, and I own Autorama Auto Sales here in Dickinson, North Dakota, AutoramaAuto.com. I am back with an uncut, unedited, off-the-cuff, what you see is what you get vehicle video. Here we have a 2024 Jeep Compass Limited. It's got the black roof, 59,000 miles. Again, one owner, 105-point inspection. It's got just a tiny little bit of factory warranty on it, so we're going to give you a complimentary 12-month, 12,000-mile powertrain vehicle service contract. You can upgrade that very reasonably in the finance office. Speaking of finances, if you got good credit or great credit, we're going to save you time and money. If you got no credit, bad credit, starting out, starting over, we got lenders that want your business. Generally speaking, around 20% down on a vehicle this age and price range is going to get you into it, or one like it, something similar. That is case by case, but we do know, because we work with so many lenders, that if you're in that credit challenge situation, around 20%, that opens some doors for you. The banks will start to consider you. Also talking about financing, something that we do way differently here is we want you pre-approved. We want you to fill out the paperwork ahead of time. Let us do that part that nobody likes sitting in the office for half an hour, 45 minutes waiting. You can do it from the comfort of your home. Fill out the credit app online. In the morning, you'll get back to you in the afternoon. Do it at night. When we walk in, we'll do it right away, and we'll have answers for you in the morning. And then we can do something that other dealers won't do. We can talk payment, terms, rate before you even drive the car. Why? Because my sales team is not paid on profit. So we don't mark the stuff up. My sales guys, my sales team here, if you, regardless what you pay for the vehicle, we make money, we lose money, we break even. It doesn't affect their paycheck, not even a little bit. So there's really no point in them sitting negotiating, trying to get every last $100 out of you, because it doesn't affect their paycheck. So that means we can negotiate without you being here. We can cut to the chase without you being here. We can do it remote nice and fast without you being here. So all you got to do is come in, test drive it. You like it, you love it, you want to leave with it. 15 minutes, you're down the road. That's way different than the big boys. It's more similar to like the Carvana. It is what it is. Here's the rates, here's the term. Our Tesla, here's the terms. If you like it, great. If not, okay. There's a good chance we're going to beat your bank. But you're welcome to be pre-approved. We like it when you are. Yeah. So back to the vehicle. Got the alloys. The tires are deep. 2.0-liter turbo. Automatic. Oh, bless Jeep. They call it a 4x4. It's an all-wheel drive system that you can lock in 4x4. Big touchscreen. Got the heated seats. The heated seats. I don't remember if it's got the heated steering wheel. Looks like it's got adaptive cruise, remote start, Android and Apple. I had the pleasure of driving this 400 miles. Drives great, 80 miles an hour, right down the road. Zippy, fun, good handling. Again, I put 400 miles on this one myself personally. Let's talk about price. We have the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. No hidden fees. We don't have a dock fee. We don't have discounts you don't qualify for. We don't have dealer fees. All we have is the price of the vehicle plus tax, title, and license. And if you're out of state, you probably don't have to pay us tax, title, and license. So the price you see is the price you pay, drive away. Nice and simple. Yeah. Lots of dealers are out there. They're hiding fees. They're going to advertise a Jeep like this for $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 less than we're advertising it for. But when you get there, by the time you walk out the door and pay all their fees, guess what? You're back at this price, or most likely even more. Not us. Price you see is price you pay. Drive away. Free delivery. This vehicle qualifies for free regional delivery. When you're pre-approved, we can do the paperwork remotely for most of it, and we can just drop it right off at your door. We extend that offer. It's kind of weird. We run I-94 Billings to Jamestown, from Minot to Mobridge. from Williston down to the Black Hills, and from the Black Hills over to Billings along I-90. If you're on one of those major corridors or close to it, you got free delivery. Let's see here, what else? Salespeople are not paid on profits. I'm just kind of, it's been a long week, just kind of rambling here. Yeah, so that is this 2024 Jeep Compass with 59,000 miles. If you got any questions, get a hold of us. Easiest way to find all the contact information and all about the vehicle is autoramaauto.com.